Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and these are the Walgreens matchups for the week of February the 14th to the 20th. So it is Valentine's Day on that Sunday, so if you want to take a pass and go on the 15th, hey, you know what? Probably in your future, if you love everything Valentine's Day, on Monday the 15th, items will be 50% off. It's usually how clearance works. And then tentatively, there's some asterisks or stars beside it because I'm not sure if these dates are solid, but it is rumored that on Wednesday the 17th, it's supposed to hit 70 and then the next day 90. So I'm thinking that a lot of stores have less Valentine's Day merchandise. So for the smaller amount, they want it out the door so they can start decorating for St. Patrick's Day and Easter. But again, these dates are tentative. Follow social media. But just to give you a starting point, if you love all things Valentine's Day, this might be like the window to go and shop. Okay, so let's talk about some boosters. Always a year mileage may vary if these show up on your Walgreens account digitally or if they come out of the Catalina machine. But these have been popping up. I got the dreaded $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $55. Since I'm not independently rich, I think I will be passing on this. As you can see, it's from the 14th to the 20th. That's the window when these boosters are activated. And you have to pay cash for the balance. So credit card, debit card, cash bills, pennies, quarters, whatever you have, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as these are spend offers. You will not get it back, but you have that specific window, and typically these two stack. So good luck with this one, guys. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is a little freebie with the IBOTTA app, and it is for this Philadelphia cheesecake crumble. So it's a little thing of like cheesecake mix and like some streusel on the top and magic. Find this in the freezer section if your store might carry it. You'll get $3.99 back. As you can see, it says 3 days left, so you'll have to get this earlier in the week. And of course, with IBOTTA, always double, triple check if the rebate is in your app, because sometimes these things disappear. If you're from the Midwest, I did find mine at Meijer. I know they've also been tracked down at Walmart, but they're also saying they're selling these at Walgreens, so check your store in the cooler section. Okay, so this next deal, 3 for $6 on the Purex. The crystals are in fact included, and those are usually like $5.99 for one, but it shakes these out to $2 each, so that's really fantastic. Now, if you might have been so lucky to have gotten the Retail Me Not of January the 31st, these are all expiring on Valentine's Day, which is Sunday, so use them or lose them. We got the $1 off for the liquid and the $1 off for the crystals. So, but this is a Hankler coupon. It's very strict. You can only use one of each as per the verbiage. Now, if you zoom over to your IBOTTA account, you can get $1 back for the crystals. So that's really fantastic with a limit up to 5. So let's just look at this a couple different ways. Grabbing 3 Purex products, make sure at least 2 of them are crystals. You'll use the $1 for the liquid and the $1 for the crystals, subtracting $2 right there. Pay 4 out of pocket, make that $1 claim to IBOTTA twice. The final price point here is 2 for $3 or 66 cents per detergent item. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. If you don't have any coupons and you don't want to mess around with that stuff, if you have one of these, why not use it a $6 off perhaps? So let's look at the math a different way. I would grab all crystals. For $6, use that $6 register reward, pay tax, make a $3 submission to IBOTTA, so the $1 you'll get back 3 times, making it, just a really smart flip of a register reward into something to IBOTTA money. So, yeah, I think this is a really great deal. Again, if you want to use Walgreens cash, if you don't have that $6 of register rewards, you can use up to $5 of Walgreens cash for this little dealio. Okay, so now we're going to look at this deal. This is a very good deal. $5.99. There's going to be a $3 digital coupon, dropping it down to $2.99, and a $3 register reward when you buy one of these. And only one register reward will print per transaction, just to note that. So let's just get one of these, just for laughs. Grabbing one at $5.99 on Sunday morning, you're going to have that $3 digital. You'll pay $2.99 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, shaking this out to free. Now, if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it, and that register reward will still print for you. Looking at this through a different lens, with the IBOTTA app, there is a $6 back when you buy 2 for Bic premium razors. So grabbing 2 of these for $11.98, subtracting the $3 digital and a $3 internet printable from usbic.com. You'll pay $5.98 out of pocket, get back one $3 register reward, make that $6 submission to IBOTTA, making this free plus a $3 and 2 penny money maker. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with the Crest, $3.99. There'll be a 3 off a 2 starting on Sunday, and then a $4.50 register reward when you buy 2. Crest or Oral-B dental care. So going with 2 tubes of the Crest for $7.98, subtracting that 3 off a 2 digital, you're left with paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4.50 register reward, making it 48 cents for the 2. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, so you're really not feeling this one too much out of pocket, absolutely go for it. Okay, so looking at this a different way, if the Crest mouthwash is part of this, because it says toothpaste, oral products, la la la. If it is, look at this IBOTTA rebate, $1 back. So tentatively, let's grab 2 Crest mouthwashes for $7.98. Subtracting that 3 off a 2 digital, we'll pay $4.98 out of pocket, get back a $4.50 register reward, make a $1 submission twice to IBOTTA, getting $2 back. So it would make this haul free plus a $1.52 moneymaker. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. But if the mouthwash is included, we don't know till Sunday. I don't have that master list. Yes, I'm not yet. I'm not that great. This would make a really fire deal. So keep your eyes peeled for this mouthwash. Okay, so I know everybody can't do this deal, but if you can grab 4 paper products, they're $4.99 a pop, $6 register reward when you buy 4 on the Bounty, Charmin, that good stuff. We have a quarter for the Bounty. Hey, it's better than nothing. All the ones from the February P&G expire on Saturday, so you can't use more coupons. And then we also have this quarter for the Charmin toilet paper. So clip both of these, guys, if you want to do this deal. And then we're also going to grab 2 iced teas that are 2 for $1, just to round off this basket. And I'm going to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because that's a lot to pay out of pocket for this one. So grabbing a mix of the Bounty and the Charmin at $4.99 a pop, that's $19.96. Grabbing 2 of those iced teas for $1, well, your total is $20.96. Subtracting 2 quarter digital coupons, subtracting a big 50 cents right there. I would use $20 of Walgreens cash, pay 46 cents plus tax, and get back a $6 register reward. It is a loss of $20, but I mean, you're getting this really nice paper and a $6 register reward. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with these Walgreens 50 count of these disposable masks. $24.99. About a year ago, this was double the price. Interesting price drop. I also have this $10 off of one of these 50 counts of the Walgreens face masks. So if you have it, maybe you can do this deal as well. So grabbing one of those 50 count Walgreens face masks for $24.99, subtracting a $10 digital, you're left with paying $14.99 out of pocket. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. If you have one of those dreaded $55 baskets, maybe this would take up half of it. Maybe a deal for you, maybe not. But if you were doing with that 55 spend, get back 10, you'd have to pay cash for the balance. But if you just wanted to use some Walgreens cash just to get this on its own, it would be $4.99 after your Walgreens cash. Okay, so these plugs, it's a monthly deal with the P&G. They're going to be $3 on Sunday. There's going to be a $3 digital coupon to load, making this guy free, 1 per account. Now, another paper deal is with the Viva Cottonelle. This stuff is usually like 2 for $16 or like $9.99 for 1, $5.99. Great price point. So I would grab 2 Cottonelles for $11.98, surrender $10 of Walgreens cash or register rewards, pay $1.98, photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and get some extra points for this. Unfortunately, those coupons that were in the January insert for Cottonelle, they will expire on Saturday. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Gillette or Venus disposable razors, $7.99, $3 register reward if you purchase one of these. So it's certain earmarked products, but you see both a men and a ladies there. Now, These digitals, we have a $3 off for the men and a $3 off for the lady. You do that in 2 separate transactions, but hey, that's something to play with. So let's say we grab one Venus disposable ladies razors for $7.99. Subtracting that $3 digital, you'll pay $4.99 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.99. If you want to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one, absolutely go for it. The next little dealio that we have is with the Tide, $4.99 for either the pods or the liquid. Now, this guy showed up last week, so hopefully you loaded it, and it's actually working with these smaller Tides like the 37 ounces or the Tide Pods, the smaller bags. So let's grab 3 of them for $14.97. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're left with paying $9.97 for the 3 products. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, I would go for it. Okay, so let's talk about some honorable mentions, guys. The first one we're going to talk about is with the Dove. As you can see, there's going to be a 2 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. I know a lot of Dove products have been on clearance, so if you could find something in that dollar range, this might be a really good deal for you. We also have the Jergens Soul, this sort of product. This is an IVC. Lots of this stuff has also been found on clearance. So if you could find something in that $2 range on clearance, use the IVC coupon and get some stuff on the cheap in this, fancy tanning sunline. I know they have face masks and stuff, but you might want to walk down that skincare aisle in case you can get some stuff really inexpensive. Okay, so we have these Walgreens Complete Home bags, buy one, get 2 for free. They're typically priced at $2.79. So after everything is said and done, it's like 93 cents for these kitchen bags. Couple flyer coupons, you can load these digitally as well. We have 99 cents for the aluminum foil paper plates, and this again is the Walgreens brand, this Complete Home line. And we also have the Coffee Mate 2 for 3, so it shakes it out to $1.50 each. You can either scan these from the flyer, sometimes they have a printout of the front page, or you could load it digitally. It is your choice. And we have a bunch of fancy canned meat. We have the Celebrity Ham. I wonder if that's the same company that makes the coffee, 2 for 5. And then the tuna and sardines are 5 for $4. Okay, so we have the Jif and Smuckers 2 for 4. They're usually $2.79. This is a really great item for your pantry if you're trying to stock up for the cold winter months. Great price point. We have the Kellogg's cereal. There will be a $1 off 2 digital coupon, which is okay, but perhaps there might be IBOTTA rebates that pop up. So definitely look through the different apps. If you love Kellogg's, maybe you can find a really great deal. And these sodas, these 12 packs, they are buy 2, get 1 for free at a price point of $6.49. And the final little dealios here, the Dunkin' Donuts, $4.99. Usually they're like $6 or something like that. And the Arizona teas, always a great filler item, 2 for $1. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!